Hi everyone, myself Prithvi. Today, welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So today I would like to speak about very interesting tool and application which is developed by Microsoft. It is known as PowerToys. So how to install this PowerToys and what are the features? What is the application? What are the use cases where it's going to helpful for our day-to-day tasks? It's how it is going to helpful for to reduce a lot of job what we're gonna do. So to do that, we need to know what this application does, where how should we install it, and how should we configure it, how this is gonna make our work life easier. So the tool name is known as Microsoft PowerToys. So there is a two-way of installing this application for Windows 11 users, those who are Windows 11 installed in their PC, so they can directly go to the Microsoft store and search for PowerToys. So this is the PowerToys. You can able to install. Click on install. It is going to install. I have already installed the PowerToys here, so no need to worry. So there is another way to install for the users those who having a Windows 10. So Windows 10 users, they could actually use this link for the installation process. So once they click on the link, so they can navigate to the GitHub action. So here are the files where you can file. The version which is released is 0.64. uh, Here is the file where you can able to download. These are the files. Since this is a open source project where you can find a source code here, so here you can find the source code and you can able to see how it is done. So it is downloading, so need not to download it. And there are other files. This is the files which you want to download and start installing actually. So so this is how we can able to install it for the Windows 10 users. So next I've already installed the PowerToys actually. So how we can able to find the PowerToys is that after installation, if you can able to type PowerToys where you can able to see here. So next, when you click on this arrow where you can find the PowerToys here also. So when you click on that PowerToys button, so when you launch that applications, there's some thing which you should configure in the general, coming to the general settings, where you should configure, where you should give permission to run as an administrator. Only then it is going to start taking a control of your PC. So otherwise they couldn't able to take the control. So where you can, after that, once you enable this administrator, where you have to restart, and it is going to work as usual. So there are the many features where I am very interested and very it made my life easy also in this PowerToys application, is that always on top. So this one of the uh, features which they came up. So this one give a very good brief away in terms of color mode and thickness, a lot of things. But I am not interested in this kind of features where, so this awake it's going to give an always on mode, and the application which is been running, which you want to kill, which you want to keep it is alive when there is an error occur in the Microsoft Windows. So in those conditions also, it is going to make sure that it is running properly. So I'm interested in this color picker. So in this color picker, where the shortcut for this color picker is Windows Shift C. When you click Windows Shift C, so where you can able to see which is the color of this. Is the white, is the blue, where it's going to show blue. So this is how you can able to pick the color. So this is the one format. So this is the one feature. The next feature is, I am very much interested, I usually use this feature. This is known as a fancy zone. So how this work is that, let us click Windows Shift Cot. So it's going to open this dialog box. In this dialog box, you can able to create a custom layout or you can able to choose the existing layout as per your wish. Actually, I have already created the custom layout. So if you want to use a new layout, you can able to type for the layout 3 and you can able to create it actually. So I have already created the layout. So where I have selected this and the layout has been opened. So for now, so this is the layout. So after this, we have to press a shift key. You have to press a shift key. So after that, you have to click and drag. Actually, you can able to drag. Once you drag, place it on the single one, it is going to place here. Okay, so after that, if you need it in an elaborated way, so you can able to press in between the both. It is going to take and it's going to occupy the both space. Okay, so this is how it works. You can able to place this tab here. Another one, you can able to want to edit something, you want to note down that the things, where you can again press shift actually, and you can able to drag and drop here. So this is how you can able to work. So go for YouTube and take and copy paste the notes from your GitHub action to here. This gonna make sure this gonna make life easier for the people, those who want to take notes, those who are studying, and the people those who want to keep a note of what is going on in the meeting. So those things, it's going to helpful in the very good manner. So this how it is going to work, this fancy zone. So if you're going to click, if you're going to drag and drop in between the two of the layout, it's going to take up the whole two of the layout 1 and 2, the layout size. So it's going to fit into that. So it's going to give you a lot of granularity in terms of the uh, seeing visibility point of view. You can able to paste it. This is how it works. And if you want to get out of it, what you can do is that you can able to click on this create layout, fancy layout editor, and you can able to cancel here. If you're going to cancel, it's going to go away. It's now it is going to work as usual actually. So there is no layout is placed here actually. This is how it works. So presently I'm using that actually, the layout kind of a thing. So let us uh, have that feature for see. For this video itself, I'm using that layout means sync. It's gonna help me in the lot of the study manner, and it's gonna help me in the work also, where it's going to give some save some time in terms of noting down and all. So see, I can able to take out this one and you can able to place it here. So this is about the fancy zone. The next zone which I want to talk about next is file explorer. Let's me talk about the file explorer and add-on. So you can able to see the preview of that file. So this one of the interesting thing. So let us navigate to any of my file actually. So let us navigate to the file. So let me show you. So what are all the things where you can see as a preview is that svg. So these are the files where you can able to see the preview, and this source code file also you can able to see. And if you want to see the pdf also, where you can able to enable it, and you can able to see the preview of the uh, pdf file also. Okay, that's how it is going to work. uh, so there is, it is under development. So sometimes something will not gonna work. So those kind of things will also happen actually. But let us not take a lot of importance in terms of pdf. Let us see the basic images, what is there, what you're going to see, how it is going to give a preview actually. So let us go navigate to any of the file actually. So I'm navigating the GCP. Let's see, there are some files which are, there are some images which I have kept. So where if you're gonna click, so here you can able to see the preview. This is all, this is what the use case, this is what the power of this uh, uh, this app of file explorer add-on. So that's the future where it's going to give the preview of the file. So next, let us not give more importance to this word file editor and all. I'm not interested in this. So the image resizer, this one of the another one very good feature which has been there in the Power Tools actually. So how it is going to work actually? So let us show the use case actually. So I'm in this folder. So let's say uh, I'm selecting two actually. For an example, I can select all the file, but no, there is no problem that if you're gonna click on right click where you can see resize picture. So where you can click, where you can click the resize picture, and you can able to resize those pictures based on the width, small, medium, and a custom, phone, large. Like this, you can able to resize it, and you can able to apply resize. It's gonna, the changes will gonna happen. So that's how it works. So if you want to another one important feature, so that is image resizer, I have already talked about. So this keyboard manager, uh, where remap the key, remap the key means where it's going to tell a physical key. So let us take a physical key is a, let's keep a, so map it to let's type b. So okay, so what does it gonna map is that if I press a, it's gonna type b. So that's how, let's click okay, continue anyway. Okay, so after that I'm gonna change it. So now I will gonna click a, it's printing b. So that's how it works. So for your reference, let me uh, on let me enable on screen keyboard actually. Let me open the on screen keyboard. So where, let me type, click on a, see where it is printing b. This how the key mapping has been enabled. So so let us not use that case. Let me delete those actually, and after that I will gonna delete it. So next, another one thing, the shortcuts. Let me talk about the shortcuts actually. So shortcuts, where you can, the physical shortcuts where you can able to type if you need z. mm, so okay, so in the type where if you want to search anything, we will gonna type control F. So if you, and the control F function means to find. So that find function you can able to map to any of the key, uh, any of the key, like A B C D or thing 1 0. When you type 0, the control F function will going to, it should work. So let's see in what app. Let is I'm in let me enable for an app Google actually. Okay, so let me go to the Google. Let me click 0. Hmm, let me go to any so I'm entering to any of the website. Let us press 0 now. So see, if I press 0, the find function is opening. So this is how you can able to map the functions to 0. So that's how you can able to enable for the specific functions to map the particular shortcuts key for the targeted app. You can able to target this app to the Outlook also, and you can able to do the specific things. Or after that, if you don't want, after trying it, you can able to delete it and click on ok. It's going to save. uh, so that is it is flexible actually. If you want to use it, it is very much useful. And the power rename is another one interesting feature which I am very much interested in. So so let us take uh, two files for an example. You can take all the images, jpg files, and you can able to rename at a single time. So there is no problem that replace with the name, and you can able to apply it. So that's how you can able to rename all the files. So that is one of the another one feature actually. So, and next feature which is very important is the PowerToys run. So it is one of the very good tool actually. So how it's gonna work is that, so let's say let me delete this actually. Also, I will delete this. I will close this one also. So when you close it, it is going to close it. So see, so this is one Power Toys run feature is one of the very important thing. So let us click on Alt and space. If you're gonna click Alt and space, it's gonna open this run bar, search bar. So where you can able to type for anything. Let's say for an example, if I need a BGP configuration of a particular uh, network device, I so this is the BGP configuration which I have, which is there in my file. So see, instead of navigating deep to the any kind of a file or the folder where it is digging down, rather than type BGP, it's going to show all the BGP kind of a name it kind of a thing, and where you can able to do the stuff. So, but so what is the difference actually? That's one of the thing which I want to show. If you, let's say example, if you're gonna navigate to the any of the um, navigate to the local C drive, so where you can type BGP and give a search. So BGP and give search. So see how much time it's going to take, how much time it's going to consume for to give the results. So but when it comes of the Power Toys run, where it's gonna show me the exact file, so where it is stored, and the file name, the configuration, all the things, the file, it's going to show me directly. So if you want to open in the folder level, it's going to open in the folder level. If you want to open the file, it's going to open the file. So this is how you can able to use the PowerToys feature actually. So let me explain another one feature. So where it is text extractor. So this one very useful tools. Oh, those who are people who are studying from a video content actually. So the shortcut for this is Windows Shift T. When you click this shortcut, so let me enable the layout Windows Shift. Hold on, and let me minimize it. So let's say I'm viewing a video actually here. Let us hold the Shift button and open. Let me take it into this layout. So, I will place it here. So it is fitted. So let me open a text file actually. Shift and take it into this layout. So after this, what you have to do is that, so what you have to do is that, and let the video play actually. So after this, we have to press Windows Shift T. So it's going to open a cursor where you have to select, and after you select, so you have to paste it here in the text editor. So when you paste it, the the whatever the content is there, it's going to paste. Actually, due to the resolution issues, it couldn't able to paste it properly actually, the video content. So let me try another one uh, video actually. So where is let me go to, so let me take this video content actually, video content text from here and copy paste here. So see, this is the video content. So let me press Control Shift T, Windows Shift T. So let us select this image. Let us go here and Control V, paste it here. So here you can able to see Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner. So everything is printed. So the relation, so D E is printed as D. Due to the font issue, it is having some uh, substitutional letters are being printed. So this is not suited for every font size which is there in the video content. If we want to take only a particular fonts where it is under development, in the next in the future it is going to take the font sizes also. uh, they are developing actually, the Microsoft people, that is an open source project they were going to develop, and it's going to be improved in the next in the future thing. So these are all the futures where it is gonna give good amount of flexibility in terms of working in Windows machine. So this is all about this video. So I think this video is helpful for you guys in terms of working with the Windows and make the life easier. So in my personal favorite window, these PowerToys features are uh, this color picker, fancy zone, where I mostly use this image resizer and this power rename and the PowerToys run. So these are the uh, and text extractor. These are all the things where I am very much interested in. These are my personal favorite, where I oftenly use this in my day-to-day work and in day-to-day environment for the work also. So this is all about this video. In the next video I'll be coming up with very interesting topics. So I'm also doing the cloud computing videos and all, where it is interesting guys, where you can able to take a look to those who are interested in the cloud computing world. So thank you all. Bye bye.